What's going on, guys? It's your boy Joe. Welcome back to a new video again today. Today we're going to be going over what I have planned for the G35. First, we're going to go ahead and put this diffuser on real quick. I did buy this diffuser and it was missing a couple of parts, but we're going to rig it up and make sure this bad baby stays. But let's go ahead and put this diffuser on. Alright guys, now we just got the diffuser on. This is how she's sitting. Sheesh. Anyways, let's go ahead and get right back into this video. And just like that, guys, we just made it over here to my secret location where I always film. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see right behind me, I got the G35, of course. In today's video, like I said earlier, we're going to be talking about the mods to come for the G35 and what I have planned. So if y'all guys follow me over here real quick, as y'all guys know, and some of y'all guys may be new to this channel, I got the Kuruma Z front bumper right here. Yes, it sits pretty high in my opinion, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the E-splitter, front splitter with the rods. I already have that in the mail as we speak, already on its way. I want to make the car look a lot lower and just look a lot more aggressive in the front, but that's how it's looking in the front. In my opinion, I don't think it looks too aggressive, so I want an even more meaner type of look. I love mean type looks, guys. So yeah, if you follow me over here also, these side skirts right here they're aftermarket side skirts, but I need some side splitters, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with the E-splitter side splitters. I don't know whether I'm going with the carbon fiber just yet because I am somewhat low, but back then I used to be able to have my foot underneath here without even going all the way completely underneath my car. Now I can fit it underneath, but not all the way, obviously, because it's still somewhat slammed, I guess you can say. But what y'all guys think I should go with? Should I go with the flat ones, or should I go with the ones with like the little canard end right here that comes up, or the wicked bill? I'm not really sure what it's called, guys, but let me know down in the comments which ones y'all think will look good on the G. Okay, so the G35, the tint is original tint from whenever I first bought the car. So the tint is a little bit messed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with dark, way darker tint, because you can see right through this. In my opinion, I don't like the fact that you can see right through the window and all that stuff. I want to make it look pretty much dark. I also want to tint the front windshield as well. Even though a lot of people always say don't go too dark on your tint, I just think the black, with like the darker the tint, the more the car will look even more better, because I think the black accents will complement it some more. So I know a lot of y'all guys are all against this. I know a lot of y'all guys may be for this, because I know people have their thoughts on this, but in my opinion, I think these will look good on the car. I'm gonna go ahead and go with some carbon fiber mirror caps over on this, because I don't want too much of this color taking the whole entire car. I want to also complement the carbon fiber with black accents with this color. So we're gonna go ahead and go with the carbon fiber mirror caps. All right, guys, so once we have those side splitters on as well, we're also gonna go with something that I already got coming in the mail as well. We're gonna install those before we even put on the side splitters. We might have to take them back off again, but oh well, who cares? But we're gonna go with the side puddle, what are they called? All right, guys. So, like I said, we're gonna go with the splitters. But before we put those splitters on, we're gonna go with the puddle lights underneath the car, where it makes it look like this little can lights all over the floor, like 5 on each side. I think that will look dope. So we're gonna go ahead and go with that as well. So as you can see right here, I got nothing right here, guys, whatsoever. In my opinion, I really don't like that much. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with the rear visor spoiler. I believe they come in gloss black, and I feel like the gloss black will complement the rest of the car, especially after I get the brand new tint, the darker tint with the black accents. Ooh-wee, that will look clean. It's gonna look clean in the mud. So yeah, guys, as y'all guys know, I got Leon Hardrick Kloster as the wheels. And I don't know, guys, I'm not really feeling it with the color. A lot of people say it looks clean with that color, the rims with the color, but in my opinion, I think I want to go all chrome instead. So we're also going to be changing the wheels pretty soon. If y'all guys are up for trades, let me know down in the comments below, or hit me up on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm willing to trade some wheels. I'm mainly looking for 3-piece deep dish wheels, guys. So yeah, so I have the OEM trunk, also with the OEM spoiler, of course. In the front of the car, y'all guys already know I have a carbon fiber hood. So I'm thinking about going with the carbon fiber duckbill trunk. Let me know down in the comments what y'all guys think about that. And let me know also if y'all guys got one for sale. I would prefer the BIS one. But yeah, guys, that's what we're thinking about going, so that we can complement the front. Also want to go ahead, since we're already going to be back here working on it, I want to go ahead and go with the GTR halos right here, where these two just light up on their own. I think that looks sick whenever they do that, so I might go ahead and do that as well. So yesterday was 4th of July, guys, so you already know I had to get a quick fade from Badam Barbershop. If y'all guys are looking for any nice little fades or whatever, make sure you guys check them out if you're in the Houston area. They're over on Westheimer, and I'm not sure exactly what's the intersection right there. But yeah, guys, make sure you guys go check out my boys Badam Barbershop. But since it's 4th of July, happy 4th of July to all y'all guys out there that celebrate it. If you come over this way, we partied pretty hard last night, pretty hard. Now we got ash all over the G, completely all over the G. All those little white spots you see on camera, hopefully the camera's picking it up, but there's a whole lot of ash all over the G. Also, if y'all guys haven't already, make sure y'all check out the One Saucy G35 Instagram. We post everything there. You can catch everything we do to the car first over on Instagram. So make sure you guys check that out. We're lit over there, guys. I answer y'all's questions and all that. So make sure y'all guys follow it. I follow a ton of y'all guys back. But if y'all guys enjoyed that video right there, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. Peace.